Whoa, that is close up. It is L'Oreal Truematch foundation. Ooh, what time is it? It is 1:19. Don't know if you can see that. No. Okay, so it is 1:19. It's 1:20 now. Okay, so it's 1:20 and let's have a look at this foundation. So I can see that nothing has actually moved. It's all still on there apart from around my nose where my glasses sit. So that is expected because they're rubbing there. And this is me with my glasses on. Yeah, so just where it's rubbed on the glasses, I can't really complain about that because that's just standard. So yes, it's all still on. And yeah, I'm happy with that. No other opinions on it. Yeah, I'm not oily at all at the moment. I used exactly the same what I always do, which is put the foundation on and then the no colour powder, and yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, so I will come back in a few hours after I've had my dinner as usual, and then just see how the foundation has matched up. Okay, so everyone, it is now 7:57. And that just means this is my last check-in for tonight. So with the makeup, let's see. So it is all still on there. It has just went a bit oily around here, and obviously the nose bit, as I already told you earlier, and a wee bit off the nose as well. But everything else looks good. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the L'Oreal Truematch, as you'll see in most of my videos. Well everyone, thank you for watching, and if you've got this far you may as well just subscribe, and yeah, keep on watching my other videos, and yeah, new uploads every week. Thank you, bye. And it is in the shade Ivory Rose. It isn't. And it is in the shade Vanilla Rose. Yeah, so yes.